back to what is the real problems in life. All this NASA lie. I just went and got a couple of little videos out of theirs and just looked at them. I mean, look at this. All this on the outside. Look at it all. Just look at all that. All that exposed.
Pistol grip tool now.
And just look at it. Do they seriously believe that we believe that this is real? I mean, what is this? What is that? I mean, this is just a joke. This is all a joke. They would never, ever in a million years make something to be in space that looks like that. I mean, look at that picture of the Earth thing. What is that supposed to be? What is that moving around there? Like, what is this? What is that? I mean, you can't believe it's real, can you? And this, look, isn't this looking like it's moving faster than that? I mean, maybe it's just me, but they look like it's moving faster. I know it's meeting down here, but I mean, look at these clouds. I mean, what are they? Just tell me, what is that?
Wait, honey, can you
what is that supposed to be?
Does this sound like me?
They're supposed to be travelling at 18,000 miles an hour. I mean, it's just... And I mean, what is this? Look at this. There's a piece of material. There's a piece of material on the outside. Look, what's that? Like you put up in a window or something. What is that doing outside? Look, look, look. Oh, it's just...
Any EMI? That the EMI band is there?
I mean, maybe that was part of one of their bags. I don't think they'd be taking material out there, would they? This would have to be not material. This would have to be a case. I mean, what were those clouds things? And I mean this, right? This is supposed to be a satellite picture, but I swear that is just all fake. Fake, 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 fake. It's all fake. Fake. Everything's fake. But I mean, look at the clouds moving. Just look at those clouds moving. And look how the eye of the storm moves. Oh. But on the space station, look. Nothing's moving. Nothing. It looks like they're closer, aren't they? Much, much closer than any of those stupid pictures from the satellite. I mean, is anything moving? No, nothing's moving. Nothing. Nothing's moving. It's all just a joke. The eye isn't moving. I'm sorry, the eye of that storm would be moving. It's just a joke. I don't know how they expect us to believe that this is real. I mean, when you actually wake up and you look at it, It's just so obvious. So obvious. None of that's moving. I mean, you don't even know where they filmed that, from the land, from the sky. You just don't know nothing, do you? It's all CGI. And this, look at this. Oh my goodness.
At the heart of each structure lies a major technological breakthrough that allowed engineers to build bigger spaceships.
One by one, traveling up the scale.
One by one, traveling up the
You'll
scale,
reveal the stories behind these
we'll reveal the stories behind these incredible machines.
5 ingenious leaps forward. that
5
enable space
ingenious
stations
leaps
to go
forward that enable
Such a
space
joke.
stations to
bigger
go from big
into the world.
to bigger.
Excuse me, they've never been there. It's all fake. Everything is CGI. Absolutely everything. Listen, to work on a flat plane. It's so funny.
Put together, that way we could sort of work on a flat plane, either a wall.
I mean, just this very last bit, because this is a short video, but what is that? What is that sticking up there? None of it would look like this. It would all be aerodynamic in there. I mean, what is that? Everything is a joke. Please, please wake up, people. Everything is a joke. They are laughing at us every single day. Anyway, thanks for watching.